bigger changer bigger changer that refill. Before we start omakase course, okay, let me introduce myself. สวัสดีครับ My name is Chef Up. Today I want to make omakase Japanese food for you to eat. It is yuzu pure and flour from green chichu. Okay, first appetizer, hotate musuku junsai, hotate or scallop, seaweed and Japanese vinegar. Okay, and I serve with yuzu pure. Okay, before you eat, I recommend you mix together. Japanese say Szechuan mushi. You know Szechuan mushi? First sushi, Japanese say ni ramen, topping with plum sauce, wasabi inside. Okay. It is scallop from Hokkaido. I marinate with salt about 5 minutes. Second sushi, Japanese say kanpachi or amberjack. Okay, I topping with caviar only. Hotate or scallop from Hokkaido, topping with sesame, chili Japanese, okay, sesame and dried fish. Hay. sauce เลมอน and cream sauce okay topping with caviar fish egg okay bluefin tuna bluefin tuna marinate with soy sauce and truffle avocado wait a moment please wait okay ready 1 2 3 okay white shrimp I serve with spicy okay below the shrimp have crunchy tempura recommend eat with the wrapเอ็นเกาอะเทมปุระโอเคplum sauce โอเคplum sauce and wasabi okay that's for the main course
Thank you.
soup inside have white fish onion and seaweed okay distribute okay circle นะครับcircle and okay last course for today okay tamago cake and blueberry ice cream for tamago cake I recommend you eat with the whipped cream
thank you
สี่อย่างครับผม
อืม